Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good morning so far. It's 9:30 in 2 seconds. New candle's about to begin on the 1 minute, of course. There it is. That's the opening candle of the New York session, showing the 1 minute open range as well. Being formed right now. You see those little pink lines right there? That 1 minute open range will be done in 44 or 42 seconds. See that there? 1, 2, those little lines. And this, of course, is VWAP, volume weighted average price for the three sisters, NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. 3 U.S. indices for those who are new. This is a 1 minute chart. As usual, in this video, I'll be cutting out dead air, sideways, grinding action, non-teaching moments, things of that nature. Keep this video nice and tight. Be looking for a trade here today. I trade on average 1 or 2 times a day lately. When VIX picks up and is over 20 or so, sometimes that'll be 4 or 5 times a day. And whatever the market brings us, of course. And this is just one of my models. It's the one model that I cover on my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel, of course. It's the Razor's Edge Index Trading Model. That's all this model is. It's one model. And I do show 4 different ways to manage the trade in terms of stop losses and take profits and things of that nature. There's the 1 minute open range has been set. Looking like we're going to drop below it on the Dow and the S&P, maybe. All right. Flipping up now above the open ranges, guys. Let's move over to the power grid. I'm going to take a look at the NASDAQ here very quickly. Rejecting on the daily and back into the range. Daily candle flipping. This morning we had NFP, non-farm payrolls, of course. Above VWAP and above open ranges on all 3. Right here, guys, buying. Stop below right now. Entered. I'm in, guys. I'm in. I'll fix this marker in a moment. Long the NASDAQ. Let me just check my own brackets here. All right, stop below the open range. Primary target of 1R. Extreme target of 2R. There we go. All right, guys, I'll put you on pause for now, and we'll come back and discuss this trade in more detail as it plays out. And target 1 has been hit. So the 1R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability. That is the primary target of this model. And the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has now moved their stop to break even because we hit 1R. So they will either get a break even or a 2R and nothing in between. And the 1.5 and 2R all or nothing traders are still going to remain in this trade to see how things pan out. And target 2 has been hit, so the 1.5R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability. And target 3 has been hit. So all 4 models, the 1R all or nothing, 1.5R, 2R all or nothing, and the 2R move stop to break even at 1R are all fully profitable in this trade. That news obviously helped us out quite a bit here. This is a trend continuation trade, a form of a zone reversal in that in the middle of the UK session, we did have a zone form and then reversing up, but I wouldn't count it as that. Quite frankly, this to me is a trend continuation trade. Given that we had the NFP come out, prices drove down on all 3 sisters, by the way, and then rejected quite sharply, showing that the net interest of this market was to be buyers of this news after it had been assimilated. But I wasn't taking anything in the pre-market, of course. We had another very bullish 30-minute candle here in the pre-market. But I wanted to see how the market took it when the regular trading hours opened. We had the 1 minute open range. There's the bottom. There's the top. Prices did in fact resolve bullish, then pulled back with an orderly pullback, rejection wick inside of the open range, and break above. And that's my entry. Impulse, orderly corrective into open range, remaining above yesterday's low and the low of the open range, buying the first sign of strength. And then we had this nice orderly pullback back to the break-even point, and of course news came out that did help us along, and sometimes that little bit of good luck just helps to speed things along a little bit. Thank you for being here today, guys. It's the first trade. It's only 10:05. Maybe we'll get a second or even a third trade today. Who knows? We're getting a little bit of movement here, so that's quite possible. Thanks again, guys. Have an amazing day. Thanks for clicking the like button and for saying hi in the comments. I do appreciate you. We'll talk soon.